Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of homebrewing with a game-changer, the Aichose Brix Refractometer with ATC. If you're serious about brewing beer at home, this is the tool you need in your arsenal. Let's jump right in. Alright folks, let's talk about what makes this refractometer stand out from the rest. First off, it's designed specifically for beer brewing, giving you accurate readings of both Brix and specific gravity with just a few drops of liquid. No more fussing with bulky hydrometers or messy test jars. One of the standout features of this device is its dual scale capability. Not only does it measure Brix from 0 to 32%, but it also provides specific gravity readings from 1.000 to 1.120. This means you get all the information you need in one convenient tool, without the hassle of conversions. Plus, with automatic temperature compensation, you can trust that your readings will be consistently accurate, even if your brew is at a different temperature. It's all about precision and ease of use, folks. Using the Aichose Refractometer is a breeze. Simply take a few drops of your liquid, place them on the prism, and hold the refractometer up to the light. Then, look through the eyepiece and voila! You'll have your Brix and specific gravity readings right there. Now, let's talk durability. This refractometer is built to last, with a main body made of chromium that's both lightweight and tough. It can withstand the rigors of brewing, ensuring it'll be a reliable companion for years to come. To wrap it up, the Aichose Brix Refractometer with ATC is a game-changer for homebrewers everywhere. With its dual-scale accuracy, automatic temperature compensation, and durable construction, it's the best digital hydrometer for beer on the market. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision brewing.